Okay, so in today's video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to make a website like these. Absolutely stunning in 10 minutes. And I'm not even joking. You can make these in 10 minutes with Claude, Code, Pinterest, and Mobbin. So after this video, you know how to do this. So let's get right into it. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna find some reference of what we're going to make. So I find this website Bevel from Mobbin. It looks really cool, and I feel like I really wanted to make something like these. So a fitness tracker or something along the line of that would be cool. For us to make this, we have to imagine like what we actually want to do. So right now I want like hero like these, but like in the background I want it to be some sort of flower field, like springy summer kind of vibe, you know. And so one of the best places you can go ahead and find more inspiration is Pinterest. So like these are just like the one I imagined. So yeah, we can save that, and we go take more, see more, maybe something is better. Okay, so this one looks really good. Maybe I'll save this one too. This one's also really good. Okay, I think we already have one. Let's go to our board, and wait, I actually have to. I think these looks probably like the best, and so I'll download this, and then after that we'll go to ChatGPT, and then we'll just drop the thing, and then just prompt it. Then just prompt it. I said make it 16 by 9, 2K. 2K is probably the best resolution for a hero landscape. Put some twist so it's not like the same as the Pinterest. Flip the image to be right side. That's it. So you can go ahead and send it and wait for it to finish. Okay, it is finished now. So it looks absolutely stunning. So let's save that, and then we'll go to Claude, and then. So one very important thing is AI right now is not very good at making a very like good stuff. So in order for you to make a website looks good, you need to have some sort of reference for it, you know, because like if you have reference for it, it can easily make it very easy, and it's going to look very good. But it is very important for you to have some reference for it, and it'll be ideal if you get reference from several sites and then just combine it together to make the website that you think looks the best for you. But now I'm gonna use like just this website. I just want to see how it'd be like. Okay, I don't really like this. This is cool. It's gonna take a lot of time. Let's do this instead. I just screenshot because some of these are videos, and ChatGPT cannot really read video that well. So this photo looks good. So wait, what is going on? Okay, what is going on? Okay, so let's take a screenshot of that too. Download that. Boom. Okay, I think that's it. I think that's probably all we ever need. And then okay, I'll come down here. Then I'll just paste all of those stuff here. Wait, I forgot. Like chat and desktop cannot actually. We cannot just drag it and drop. We have to copy their path, and then let's use Opus, and then okay, we'll see what it takes us to. So right now it's 4:58, and let's see how long it is going to take me to create a website. And boom, after one shot, like I mean it, like this is the prompt, and I just asked me a bunch of questions, and boom, like this is it. After one shot, it gave me this, and it looks so good. It looks stunning, bro. Like okay, I don't know what's up with these, but okay, let me refresh the page, cause it also has some animations. All right, like bro, it looks so good. Look at that. This is one shot. This is how good AI can be if you actually use it correctly. This is how good it is if you have some sort of reference for it, and you just give them the reference, and they can easily make it for you, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. Crazy, bro. I plan to make like a few revision. Maybe these you can make a revision for these, but yeah, I think it's good enough now. So I'll just compare it to if I don't give it any sort of if it's just this. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna boom. Let's see like what it will give me. Cause like with reference, this is one shot, bro. If you actually use AI, you know how crazy it is to actually get like a good first draft. And you can absolutely just make it look better too. You can just okay, I don't like these because of that, but for me it feels perfect except these. Okay, so it asked me like a tons of questions to feel. No, wait, shit. All right, so I'm gonna use the UI UX Pro Max. I'm gonna use some skills. All right, no reference, and I'll see what it will get me. Okay, and this is what it gave me. Even with some skills, this is the best it could do. So, same amount of time, one shot, same amount of prompt. These have more prompt even. It's like, yeah, but like, just look at the quality. It's just completely on a different level. Wow. So that's why it is so important for you to use reference. And like one of the a very good site to get some reference is Mobbin. Just go ahead, take a look. I don't recommend you just copying one site. I think like you should go ahead and see like the footer, what footer you love the best, and then just take screenshot of that footer, and then just go ahead what pricing you think look the best, and it just takes all of those stuff and combine it to be like your best site possible. Not just like copy like I did, but I just did that because it's pretty fast. Yeah, Mobbin, a very good resources, and Pinterest, also a very good resources to get your inspiration for the hero section or the background. All right, so these are the two resources you should use. Okay, so if you like this video, make sure to comment. You don't have to subscribe, just but please comment, because I'm quite lonely. I'm not gonna lie. I want somebody to talk to me. But yeah, that's it. See you guys in the next video.